So guys, this neat little moth just landed on me, so that's pretty neat. If you know what kind of moth this is, I guess let me know. I didn't know moths could fold their wings up like this. I thought that was only butterflies, but maybe I'm wrong. But yeah, this little guy is pretty neat. See his little proboscis there. The proboscis is what they eat with. It's like a very long tongue. And so we got some flowers here. I'm gonna set him down on those flowers. Yeah, pretty neat find, huh? Well, I guess he found me.